Hello friends, welcome to another weekly dose of railways. Let's have quick recap. Now let's start today's episode. In this test, the characteristic of resistance of locomotive idling were taken by the decoupling at 100 km per hour. Fire trucks and other equipments carried by train. Fast train hits cabin of a semi-truck. Fortunately, driver escaped on time. This guy made a train set in a garden which looks great. Truck suddenly stopped while crossing and got hit by train. Passenger train overtaking goods train with bag 9 locomotive. Pantograph of speedy trains clears the water droplets from catenary wire. Please like, share video and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.